You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 9. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. Though a variable's sign changes when it is multiplied by -1, its absolute value does not. Therefore, we can eliminate the 1. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 62 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 9.